You need to watch this if you struggle with finding the perfect travel destination. Off the coast of Queensland, Australia, lies a world of unparalleled beauty and biodiversity. This is the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system on Earth. Visible from space, the reef stretches over 1,400 miles, composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. The Great Barrier Reef is a tapestry of vibrant colors, teeming with life. Exploring the Great Barrier Reef is an unforgettable experience. However, this natural wonder is facing unprecedented challenges. It is our responsibility to protect this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a beautiful sight. It is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, recognized for its exceptional beauty and ecological significance. This designation highlights its importance not just for Australia but for the entire planet. The reef is home to an astonishing array of marine life, with over 1,500 species of fish and 400 types of coral. The intricate structure, built by tiny coral polyps, provides a habitat for this incredible biodiversity. Recognized as a natural wonder, it signifies the need for global attention and collaborative efforts to preserve this unique ecosystem. Diving into the Great Barrier Reef is like entering an underwater metropolis teeming with life. The sheer variety of creatures found here is astounding. From microscopic plankton to majestic whales, every inch of the reef pulsates with activity. The reef's inhabitants are as colorful as their surroundings. Brightly hued parrotfish crunch on coral, their beak-like mouths scraping algae. Clownfish dart amongst the stinging tentacles of anemones, their symbiotic relationship a marvel of nature. Graceful manta rays, with wingspans reaching up to 23 feet, glide through the water, filtering plankton with their gill plates. Sharks, often misrepresented, play a crucial role in maintaining the reef's delicate balance. As apex predators, they regulate populations and keep the ecosystem healthy. From the small but vital white-tipped reef shark to the occasional visit from the majestic whale shark, these creatures are a testament to the reef's diversity. But it's not just the large animals that make the reef so special. Thousands of invertebrate species, from starfish to sea cucumbers, contribute to the reef's intricate web of life. Each creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of this underwater paradise. The Great Barrier Reef is far more than just a pretty face. It plays a crucial role in the health of our planet. Its importance extends far beyond the shores of Australia, impacting everything from climate regulation to global biodiversity. Firstly, coral reefs, including the Great Barrier Reef, are vital for carbon sequestration, a process that helps regulate the Earth's climate. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, locking it away in their calcium carbonate skeletons. This process helps mitigate the impacts of climate change, making coral reefs essential for a healthy planet. Secondly, the reef provides essential habitat and breeding grounds for countless marine species. It acts as a nursery for many commercially important fish species, ensuring the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on fishing. The reef's biodiversity also contributes to global food security, providing a source of protein for people around the world. Finally, the Great Barrier Reef plays a crucial role in protecting coastlines from erosion and storm damage. The reef acts as a natural barrier, absorbing wave energy and buffering the impact of storms and cyclones. This protection is essential for coastal communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems. Section 5: Tourism and Economic Impact. The Great Barrier Reef, with its breathtaking beauty and marine diversity, is a magnet for tourists from around the globe. Tourism plays a significant role in the Australian economy, and the reef is one of the country's most iconic attractions. Every year, millions of visitors flock to the Queensland coast, eager to experience the wonders of the reef. From snorkeling and diving excursions to glass-bottom boat tours and scenic flights, there's a multitude of ways to witness the reef's splendor. This influx of tourists creates a thriving industry, supporting local businesses and communities. The tourism industry associated with the Great Barrier Reef generates billions of dollars annually, providing employment for thousands of people. From tour operators and dive instructors to hotel staff and restaurant workers, the reef's economic impact is undeniable. However, this economic dependence on tourism also highlights the importance of responsible and sustainable practices. Balancing economic benefits with environmental protection is crucial to ensure the long-term health of the reef and the industries that rely on it. So when you visit, remember to explore responsibly and help preserve this natural wonder for future generations. Section 6. The reef under threat. Despite its resilience and grandeur, the Great Barrier Reef is facing unprecedented threats, primarily driven by human activities. These threats, if left unchecked, could have devastating consequences for this natural wonder and the countless species that depend on it. Climate change is arguably the most significant threat to the Great Barrier Reef. Rising ocean temperatures, a direct result of increased greenhouse gas emissions, are causing mass coral bleaching events. Coral bleaching occurs when stressed corals expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn white and making them more susceptible to disease and death. Pollution from coastal development, agriculture, and industrial activities is another major threat. Runoff carrying fertilizers, pesticides, and sediment can smother corals, disrupt their growth, and increase the likelihood of outbreaks of harmful algae blooms. Overfishing is also a concern, disrupting the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. Unsustainable fishing practices, such as overharvesting key species or using destructive fishing methods, can have cascading effects throughout the food web, impacting the entire reef ecosystem. Section 7. A changing landscape, visualizing the impact. The devastating effects of these threats are evident in the changing landscape of the Great Barrier Reef. Once vibrant and teeming with life, some areas now bear a stark resemblance to underwater ghost towns. Images captured over time tell a sobering story. Where once colorful coral gardens flourished, now bleached skeletons stand as a stark reminder of the ocean's warming waters. Areas once bustling with diverse marine life now appear eerily quiet, the silence a testament to the loss of biodiversity. These visual reminders serve as a powerful call to action. They highlight the urgency of addressing the threats facing the reef and the need for immediate and effective conservation efforts. Time is of the essence, and the future of this iconic ecosystem hangs in the balance. Section 8. Protecting our coral jewel. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, significant efforts are underway to protect and preserve the Great Barrier Reef. These initiatives involve a multifaceted approach combining scientific research, government policies, and community engagement. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand the complex threats facing the reef and develop innovative solutions. Research focuses on areas like coral resilience, restoration techniques, and mitigating the impacts of climate change and pollution. For example, scientists are exploring coral nurseries where heat-resistant corals are cultivated and transplanted to degraded areas, and developing new technologies to monitor reef health and track changes over time. The Australian government has implemented a comprehensive plan, the Reef 2050 Long-Term Sustainability Plan, outlining strategies to protect and manage the reef. This plan includes initiatives to improve water quality, reduce pollution, manage crown of thorns starfish outbreaks, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Local communities, indigenous groups, and tourism operators are also actively involved in conservation efforts. They are implementing sustainable practices, participating in reef monitoring programs, and educating visitors about the importance of responsible tourism. Section 9. A call to action. Be a reef hero. The future of the Great Barrier. Reef, like many of Earth's natural wonders, depends on the collective actions of individuals, communities, and governments around the world. While the challenges may seem daunting, it's important to remember that every effort, no matter how small, can make a difference. Reducing our carbon footprint is paramount. By embracing energy-efficient practices, supporting renewable energy sources, and advocating for climate-friendly policies, we can help mitigate the impacts of climate change on the reef. Making conscious consumer choices is another crucial step. Supporting sustainable seafood, reducing plastic use, and choosing eco-friendly products can minimize our impact on the marine environment. Spreading awareness and inspiring others to act is equally important. By sharing our knowledge, engaging in conversations about conservation, and supporting organizations dedicated to protecting the reef, we can amplify our impact and create a ripple effect of positive change. The Great Barrier Reef is a global treasure, and its fate lies in our hands. Let us all do our part to ensure that this natural wonder continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Comment below. We would love to know your thoughts on the Great Barrier Reef. Also be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for all your support. As always, travel safe.